Two, real quick, I'm gonna show you something that I'm really about to do, and I can't talk too much, too long, because my phone is, you know what I'm saying, in storage and shit. But I'm gonna buy this Amazon unclaimed return liquidation palette mystery box, and it's only about, I want to say rounded up to like $11 because I already looked at it already. But I'm gonna show you how it looks, and I don't want to take this risk because, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm a risk taker. I gamble. You know what I'm saying, I do a bunch of stuff that I was about to incriminate myself with, but it's crazy. But I'm about to get this palette. I'm about to show it to you in 2.5 seconds. You know what I'm saying? I got my video playing right there, yes sir. Gotta get that money. But yeah, this the packages. They say $10. Buying off of Facebook Marketplace. You know what I'm saying? So if I get scanned, I'm gonna let y'all know how it go, whatever like that. But that's how much I'm getting. I'm gonna show you how much it costs. Go down here to my address. Let's see how much it costs. $11. Yeah, so that's how much it is. And I'm gonna buy this actually right now. All right, there we go. All right, so just got it. Cost $12, and I'm gonna see how long it takes. I got I think 3 packages coming between the 1st and like the 8th. So in like a couple days. Today's the 4th, January 1st. Oh, Happy New Year's, by the way. Oh, yeah, Happy New Year, by the way, bro. I know it's not the first video of the new year, but this is the first video that I'm recording of the new year. It's the 4th. So all the other videos that you've already seen, and it's probably gonna be, I think I only posted 1 video for the new year so far. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but today's January 4th, and I'm buying this mystery box today. So whenever it gets here, that's when I'm gonna be opening it. I don't know if I'm obviously gonna put the whatever. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all know when the box come. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's how much it is, and I'm gonna buy this actually right now. All right, there we go. All right, so just got it. Cost $12, and I'm gonna see how long it takes. I got I think 3 packages coming between the 1st and like the 8th. So in like a couple days. Today's the 4th, January 1st. Oh, Happy New Year's, by the way. Oh, yeah, Happy New Year, by the way, bro. I know it's not the first video of the new year, but this is the first video that I'm recording of the new year. It's the 4th. So all the other videos that you've already seen, and it's probably gonna be, I think I only posted 1 video for the new year so far. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but today's January 4th, and I'm buying this mystery box today. So whenever it gets here, that's when I'm gonna be opening it. I don't know if I'm obviously gonna put the whatever. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all know when the box come. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So oh shit, wait. No. I can't do that. Let me pause this. Alright. So I didn't show y'all the process, like me doing it, so I'm gonna show you. Hold on, that's the right time. It's about Friday in there, but fuck it. That's what it is. Just like that. Show y'all when my package comes. Now, mind you, this is a palette. So like how I showed you in the thing, like this. That's how it's supposed to look. Like when it gets shipped here to my crib, like that, it's supposed to come on a truck with a whole bunch of other stuff. Now I'll think about it. I mean, it says $10, and there's pallets for $10 that I've seen. So, and that just gives me my confirmation. Yeah, I can see that. You know what I'm saying? But, alright, bro. But I'm just scared, like, cause what if? Cause it does say that unclean packages We don't have any idea what's inside of the packages: shoes, jewelry, toys, electronics, clothes, tools. Please keep in mind that some of the items could be junk or broken. Please, try your luck. So reading that, it's just like, damn. Like, what if this stuff is broken? Or junk? Like, what if it's all junk? Or what if it's all broken? But it's still like $11, $12. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'd have spent that $10, $12 on some weed. You know what I'm saying? Or I'd probably spent it on papers, because I need papers, or gravel. You know what I'm saying? Some other shit. I was about to say some other shit, but yeah. Right now I'm watching my boy Baby Rich. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to start taking, like, you know how DDG does that little series that he did with like his sister and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna take that, cause that I can't talk, but that sense of humor is like funny. Like, that shit is hilarious, and I have that sense of humor. So I think I'm gonna try to implicate that and put that into like my content. But the way Baby Rich did it, I ain't gonna front. That shit was funny. I mean, DDG was funny too, but Baby Rich is, I don't know. I feel like Baby Rich is more funny. I don't know. To me. And I fuck with his music, you feel what I'm saying? No glaze and shit, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with DDG too, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't what it is. But the shit that he did with Aries, shit was tough. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, no glaze and shit, motherfucker. You watching this? I know you're not watching it, but you know what I'm saying? That shit was funny. The shit that he did with Chino and his girlfriend, I think I'm gonna do that. Even though I did that, I didn't do that. I was a part of a video on my friend's channel, on my brother's channel. You know what I'm saying? But I want to do that. I want to start. Yeah, I'm saying I want to start doing pranks. I want to start really doing stuff on this channel, bro. I don't understand. Like, I want to really bring that shit, but don't worry, because it's gonna come. I got another car video I want to drop, and I'm saying I'm gonna get that up there, because that's on this phone. You know what I'm saying? And this phone is dead, and I gotta charge it. And I got like 3 or 4 videos on there. You know what I'm saying? And then I got a couple of videos on here, but the quality is gonna be like 36 megapixels, because it can't be 1080p or it's not gonna get uploaded. So I apologize. You know what I'm saying? My last video that I posted, which was "This is why I need 100,000," you know what I'm saying? That video was 360, you know what I'm saying? And if it would have been anything higher, it would have not been posted. So that's why it's like that, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I want to post pranks, I want to post vlogs, I want to do a whole bunch of public interviews, I want to do a whole bunch of stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I want to keep y'all close, show y'all niggas how to make 100,000. I'm going to show y'all the elevation of me being broke, like right now, until I get 100,000 and plus, you know what I'm saying? And I want to build that connection with y'all, you feel what I'm saying? So that being said, I love y'all niggas. I want y'all to, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of telling y'all to like, comment, subscribe. So matter of fact, so don't like, comment, and don't subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to just watch the video, watch the ads, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how I make my bread, please. You know what I'm saying? I just got monetized, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't realize it, actually just got hit with an ad or whatever like that. But yeah, on this channel starting to make bread. And you know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to see the growth. You know what I'm saying? I watch a lot of YouTube channels from DDG, FaZe Rug, fucking the list goes on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, those are the people that I watch, you know what I'm saying? Because those are the music people. Well, FaZe Rug didn't do music, but everybody, for some reason, did one song, you know what I'm saying, and then stopped doing music. But DDG is somebody I really watch, because that's somebody that, I'm saying, he loves music, obviously, and I look up to inspiration like that to see what he does, you know what I'm saying? The marketing aspect, you know what I'm saying, the vision and stuff that he does, you know what I'm saying? So that's why, and how he transitions from YouTube to music, or how he does YouTube and music. I know I'm chatting, y'all, and this is just a whole lot, but it's just, you know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all the process, because this is a whole bunch of process. There's a whole lot of people today, as we speak, right now, January 1st of 2024, there's people still hating as we speak on me right now. People that don't believe in the process, and there's a whole bunch of stuff, and it's just like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I just had to talk with my cousin on New Year's Day, on his birthday, about people don't see the vision because they're not me. And I was like, I already knew that, but just hearing it from somebody, you know what I'm saying? You know, you always have that gut feeling, but you know, hearing it from somebody just gives you more of a confirmation. Like, all right, you know what I'm saying? Might as well. I already had that thought. Might as well just, you know what I'm saying, apply it. So it's just like, I already knew that, but it's just frustrating because it would be much easier if they knew the process, so they wouldn't be doing the stuff that they're doing. But it's just like, all right, so now when I get to where I'm at, or when I get to where I'm going, the way I'm gonna act is gonna be like, oh, I'm moving from you. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a bunch of stuff that I just think about when I get to where I'm going, or in the process do. You know what I'm saying? And it's a lot of self-reflection that I'm doing too. So it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. I learned that about reading these books that I'm reading. How to Think and Grow Rich, the influence of people, and I forget the last one. Make Your Bed. That's the other book I'm reading. If you don't know those books, I suggest you read those, because I'm reading those, reading them, and I think 2 of them are audiobooks. But I think you have the option to read them too. But definitely read those books. I love you guys. Don't like, comment, and subscribe. Just watch the ads. Watch the entire video from the beginning to the end. That's all I ask. You feel what I'm saying? I don't ask for nothing else. I just want y'all to see the process. I want y'all to show you can grow with me. So when y'all see me in person, be like, yo, Ty, can I get a picture, or this and the third? I'm gonna be like, and you tell me, yo, I've been there from the beginning in your room. Like, this is my room. I don't want to show you. I don't want to show you everything, because my room is really a mess. Well, I'll show you my room. It's a mess. I know. I got a pizza box right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a mess. But I'm not ashamed to put that shit on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, the bitches gonna be like, yo, the bitches is watching. The bitches is watching. Anyway, like I said, I'm not insecure. I don't care. My room is dirty. That's fine, bro. Does that make me a dirty nigga? No, because I'm gonna clean this literally as soon as I cut this camera off. You know what I'm saying? So I can show you my room. I'm gonna clean it. It's not nothing like that. I'm not gonna clean it. But the point is, I'm going to clean my room. But I love you guys. I do want you to grow with me, you know what I'm saying? Because I want y'all to be like, yo, I was there from when you was in your room doing these videos. I was there from you when your ex broke up with you. I was there even before that. I was there before. I want y'all to tell me the videos, you know what I'm saying? And verbatim, like, tell me, yo, I was at this, you know what I'm saying? When you said this and that and this, so I can be like, wow, you was really watching. You feel what I'm saying? Because when I meet the people that I'm going to meet, I'm going to be like, yo, bro, you remember this? Niggas are going to be like, yo, I didn't even remember. Like, bro, like, I'm going to be that in tune. So when I see Chris Brown, my dad, and LeBron James, my basketball dad, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna, yo, y'all remember when you said this? Or you remember, yo, when you did this business move, or that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna, like, they're already elevated, but it's just like to show them the accomplishments of what inspired me to be where I want to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the shit, you know? It's just shit like that. But I love you guys. I just hope that this conversation inspired you. I'm gonna post this little, you know what I'm saying, little 8-minute, 10-minute, however long this video is. I'm gonna post this. And I'm going to post the full video of me opening this Amazon gift palette when it comes. I love you guys. Love you guys. I didn't mean to do that, but if you was a female, then that was for you. If you was a dude, then just click off the video.